I'll tell you, Vaseline sure is good for a lot of things.
I'm not touching that.
Fish and chips for supper tonight with a good Canada Dry.
Now that the papoose fence is done, Jerry is putting the pump together for the pool. We're going to finish filling it. We're going to shock it. And we're going to get it going because now we have all the parts in. The pump came in and the solar panels came in. And we're ready to go for that. And the weather is coming. The beautiful weather's coming. So that's one of the things we're doing today. And the other thing is we're going to start installing the the electric fence in the pig pen. We're waiting for them to wake up too so that we go feed them. Because they're still sleeping. They're sleepy heads. They really like their log cabin.
Yeah, they sure do.
And the papoose love their outside. They've been outside like 5 times today. That's the pump going off because I'm doing laundry. How you doing, Cocoa Beans? The sand filter pump.
I'll tell you, Vaseline sure is good for a lot of things.
I'm not touching that.
Get a screwdriver, my pump, bring the pump here, and put sand in it.
Yes, so today we're only going to be installing the sand filter pump, even though we have the solar pump, which is going to attach to, right? Is that what you're doing? You're connecting the solar pump to the sand filter pump so that the solar pump does the work.
Yeah.
With the solar panels.
Yeah,
but
disconnect it
when the parts come in.
Yeah.
Because we need adapters. This is the sand filter pump that came with the pool. So we're missing an O-ring, so we put Teflon.
I don't know, so we'll find out. This we need to fill up right now. This goes like this.
Almost there. Look at that. We're filling the pool with crystal clear water. We're going to finish it with our pump and our well water. You could put some of that stuff in there maybe now or not. The clear stuff or not yet?
You mean how much clear stuff do we put?
I don't know. You have to look on the bottle. Look at that bug. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gross? Do you see it? All right, here goes nothing. The wood's catching on fire.
Yeah.
Ooh, stinkeroonies.
Okay, so you can. So you got to roll that way.
That's
I don't know.
I think that's
Too hot.
That's too much melted.
Yeah, too much melted, but it works.
I wonder if you had like your logs in the fire,
Yeah.
you know, like when you were burning them, and then put it on there. You know what I mean?
The logs?
Like a hot roller.
Oh, I hear you. That was too hot right there.
Whoops.
So that's all. You just got to slightly do it.
Maybe if you cut it in half, it'd be better.
Yeah. Also.
Yeah, also.
Yeah. That's too thick. That's why it's gonna do that. But it's keep doing this while it's still hot.
Oh.
Yeah. But you could technically cut the little sheets out of this, then nail it.
Yeah.
Still.
With your screws, with your roofing screws.
Yeah. But be careful how I heat it next time. Slowly, and
yeah.
I might try another one.
Good job.
That's how you learn.
Yeah, they were free.
Yeah, they're free. And you hit it on the other way around.
You can still use that one.
Yeah, oh yeah. I just gotta cut them in smaller sheets.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be cutting like this there. It's just shingles, and it goes better with the jigsaw if you have a good blade, but you could tell I had trouble here. It's because of the ring. That's why it's curling like that.
I'm going to bring some potato peels to the pigs. Hi, piggies. I forgot to bring my bell. Ding a ding a ding 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 ding. Have some potato peels. Hello.
There's a lot of thinking, I'll tell you.
Oh yes, it's like a puzzle. You need to fill in here. Fill in the puzzle. The puzzle, girl. You should probably go like this. Look at me. Just an idea there. Right? If you're coming like this.
Yeah.
Right? You should go down here. Because this is a bare one, right? And then come across here.
I'm doing it so you don't climb on top. I'm coming one across, I'm coming back lower again.
Okay.
Gotta fill in the gaps. Like
Okay, gotcha.
That's what my plans are.
All right. I'll let you plan.
See, they like to, they kind of stand up and start sniffing there. This is what I'm kind of taking care of, the sniffing.
That's a nice tool, eh?
Well, I think this was worth it. It takes a lot to do a corner. I'll just twist it.
Okay.
So it doesn't touch.
Okay.
The Gorilla Tape, I don't know. Who knows what I'm doing. You know what? I'll put it together.
Don't burn the
Then
pig.
I'm not sure, so
Hey?
I'll call you to come and touch it.
Don't burn the pig
Okay?
pen down,
I'll let you
baby.
know. Come and touch it later.
Yeah, you can touch it. Are you loving your little house? You like it, eh? Mommy doesn't have to tie you no more. No. Hey, are you happy, Miss Beans? You watching Daddy? Yeah. Okay. Good girl. So here's the electric fence. You can see we moved one of our security cameras so we can keep an eye on the pigs from wherever we are.
On time for 2 seconds at 10 kilovolts. And what I did now, I put the wire in the ground. I'm 10 feet away because the soil's really wet here, so I guess it's got to be really good. So what happened is I was trying to finish underneath this. I should have done that before I got the pigs. Really there, it would have been the smartest thing to do. They kept biting my legs and my shoes. And then they were touching the wires. They liked everything in there. So when I left, I was afraid they were going to rip the things off. I put it on power. And by the time I turned around, he touched it there, then he touched it there. He kayaked twice.
Oh, no.
Then they came around and he went to put, oops, don't touch it. Put his nose there. So now I've got electrified on the top for a bear. But now what I want to do is, apparently this is the way to do it, like for grumpy animals, like bears, especially bears, because bears
Grumpy animals,
yeah,
that's
what it says, yeah. Well, now what I do is I take another one of these yellow wires, but I put it to the negative ground. I can't touch the other one, so I'll run it. I left the space. I'm going to run it over here or across the, all the way across again, all the way across.
A lower one.
Because we bought gates too, so tomorrow I'm getting rid of this, and we'll be able to hook up to these. Right, on this side. So I need to bring some over here.
Oh.
Yeah, I think you can though.
Shaja.
You can actually.
You got a screwdriver in your pocket, eh?
Yeah. Then you put your bungees across.
They're in their little
cabin. Yeah, they got scared.
They're in the log cabin.
Yeah, see, they're at that's the perfect height. Now they'll see a wire outside in the field when we let them go.
Yeah.
And I bet you won't even be on, and they'll be afraid of it.
Okay.
They're smart pigs.
Okay. Ooh, it did go on top.
Yeah, I managed to put it there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at roasted
Check
potatoes.
it out.
Yeah,
Oh my.
Yeah, that's ready.
Come on. Get out of the kitchen.
I'll leave this cool outside. Like that. Let's shut her down. That's supper tonight, folks.
Cannot tell you how good this was. Oh my goodness.
Well, it wasn't supposed to rain today. I guess we're going to get a bit of help. A lot of water. 4,500 gallons of water in that pool.
They had a garden shed on clearance at Canadian Tire. It was like half price. So this is going to be perfect for the brooder. Plus we need a shed for the freezer we're eventually going to get. Put all our garden tools away. And look at that. We scored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 free skids and a free rack. So very cool. So now I'm going to help Jerry tie it because he's having...
It's still stuck there?
I'm stuck, baby.
Okay.
We're just securing our load and we're heading back home.
Wow. Yeah, let's put some of that clear. There's shit in here.
I know, that all came out of there.
But right now it's only on recirculation like they said. Remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Once the pigs learn what the electric fence is and what it's for, we are going to make their pen much bigger. Our first dandelion. So after recirculating the pump for 4 hours, now we're just going to let the clarifier sit in the pool overnight as per instructions. Come on, let's go. Let's go play outside. Come on, puppies. Can hear the frogs. This is 2 a.m. Right now you can see the duck that's glowing. You can see the light from the solar panel for the electric fence flashing. There's the moon. And coming up is the fairy lights on the dog fence. You can see how quiet it is out here at 2 a.m. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you'd like to support the channel further, please join as a member.